Let's take a look at all the things you can do from the raw materials page of ReciPal's inventory management system. From this page, you'll see all of the ingredients that make up your recipes, the current inventory you have of those ingredients, the value of those ingredients if you've entered the costs of them, and when you've last updated them. You can sort the ingredients by their risk level, you can put them in alphabetical order, or you can sort them by when they were last updated. The risk level looks at the usage of your ingredients over the last 30 days to determine which ones you may need more of. The main action you'll be taking here is adding to raw materials when new ingredients arrive. But you can also subtract from raw materials in the case of something expiring or you're just getting rid of something, and you can reset raw materials if you're doing a hand count of what you have. When you're ready to make a change to an ingredient, you can filter either by tag or by supplier to help you easily find the ingredients that you're looking for. You can add tags to your ingredients from the ingredient cost page, and suppliers are added automatically when you save ingredients into the system. So let's add some more cookie pouches to inventory. The first thing we'll enter is the amount and the unit, and the important thing to note here is that whatever unit you select will update the unit that's shown in the inventory. So if you select pounds, it'll show pounds. If you select grams, it'll show grams. From there, we can enter a lot code. This could be the lot code that was on the product itself, or it could be one that you create on your own. So in this case, we'll create it on our own, just using an abbreviation and the date to make a unique lot. From here, we'll add it to inventory, which lets us enter any notes we want, change the date that we received it on if that's something we need to do, select who supplied it and who transported it. And then we can add it to inventory. Now in this case, we just updated the inventory for one ingredient, but you can update multiple ingredients at once. Now that we've added the inventory, we see that its levels have gone up and the value that we have on hand has also increased. And we can click into this ingredient and find out more details about it. So we see a summary of the changes, the suppliers, and we see the lot codes. And so we can click into these open lot codes and make any edits if we need to. We also have a visual representation of how these ingredient levels have changed. You can see the times that it's been used in a production run and when I've just added this new amount to inventory. And we have line-by-line record keeping of every inventory change, whether it was an addition, subtraction, reset, or production run. You can see all the changes to the inventory right here. We've also got some very helpful reporting here. So if you go to the history view, you'll be able to filter by either supplier, transporter, or date and see all of the updates across all of the ingredients that have happened. You'll get the high-level view here, and then you can click into the detailed view to see exactly what happened with each ingredient update. Finally, you have the snapshot report. In this report, you can select a date and see the inventory levels that you had on that date. So this lets you compare inventory levels and see how inventory has changed over time. That's it for raw materials. If you have any questions, email us at info@recipal.com.